This Mixpeek capability lets you crawl through any website and turn it into organized, searchable knowledge without losing structure. I'm going to show you how we crawl through entire websites and then automatically extract the text, the code, the images, and the assets so they're all ready to search for grounded results when you build your agents and applications. So here's the problem that most scrapers have, is when you provide a URL, a parent URL in the web scraping job, the children nodes in the parent URL typically has images, has domain-specific terms, it has code, it might even have files. And so all of these different assets, which are not typically just content, are not treated as first-class citizens by the web scraper itself. It's up to you as a developer to actually build the post-processing in order to handle all of these different types. And that's not even considering single-page apps like React apps that are very JavaScript heavy. And so if we take a look at the Mixpeek Studio, we can, in the namespace process, we create a namespace, and that namespace gives us the ability to select a feature extractor. And this web scraper feature extractor has a bunch of different parameters, has a bunch of different keys, examples, etc. But what we can see is we have full control over the opinions that have been instructed into the web scraper feature extractor. And so, for example, we have different chunk parameters. We can select the different code embedding model, text embedding, image embedding. We can use an LLM to do response shapes, etc. And so when we have the actual feature extractor, this is a collection that already has one. The feature extractors, again, has those embedding models that have already been baked into them. And so this one has 3 feature URLs. It's got, or URIs. It's got the E5 text embedding. It's got a Gina embedding for code. And then it has a Siglip embedding for images. And so again, when you're providing a parent URL, it navigates all of the links from that parent, and it creates embeddings, it creates keywords, it intelligently navigates all of them, all of the children, in order to build a series of documents, we call them collections, that you can then build retrieval operations on. So you can do retrieval, or you can chain collections together so that the output of one of these collections, in this case, if we're downloading images, you can feed those images outputs into another feature extractor. And so you can see all of everything that we talked about here on the Mixpeek capabilities page where we have the web scraper available. And so here we have examples, we have explanations, we have how others use it right on the website. Thank you.